In this Python programming solutions video, we will understand the answer for the assignment type C, question number 8 of chapter 1 named Python Revision Tour of CBSE Class 12 Computer Science book by Sumita Arora. Let's have a look at the question first. Write a program that reads the date as an integer in the format MMDDYYYY. The program will call a function that prints out the date in the format month name, day, year. Sample run, enter date 12252019 and gives the output December 25, 2019. So that's the question. Now the first thing we need to do is ask for the date. So date is equal to input, enter date in the format MMDDYYYY. We store it in the variable date as a string type only. Now we will write our function to print out the date in the desired format. Def convert date underscore string colon enter. So we name the function convert underscore date with an argument date underscore string. Year is equal to date underscore string square bracket 4 colon. Now we extract just the year part using string slicing starting from index 4 to the end of the string. This captures the last 4 digits and stores in the variable year. Day is equal to date underscore string Similarly, in the variable day, we store the slice of the string day underscore string, starting from index 2 to index 4, but excluding index 4. So basically it captures the 2 digits of the date. Then month is equal to int date underscore string colon. Then again the first 2 digits of the string are captured using slicing and stored as month integer type. Then we create a list of strings to store all the names of the month. Names is equal to January, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, We store all the month names here so that we can convert the digits of month to the corresponding name. Name is equal to month names square bracket month minus. Here we take the index 1 less than the value of our captured month to get the relevant month for that value out of the list. Print name plus plus day plus plus year. Then we print the respective values in our desired output format. Convert underscore date. Finally, we call the function convert date. Now let's run the program. We enter 12252019 as the input, and we see that we get the output as December 25, 2019. So we have verified that our code is correct and working. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching it. If the solution is not clear to you, you can watch this video again. After that, if you still have some confusion or query, leave a comment below with your question. If you are looking for the answer of some particular Python problem, please feel free to mention the same in the comments below, and if possible, we will try to post a video with the solution for the same. If you want us to keep posting more such videos, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it to others, and do let us know in the comment section below. Thank you.